Have you ever wondered how to make a Linux ISO like on a USB device so this way you can install it? You're on Windows. What do we do with that ISO file? Well, I'm going to go ahead and show you. Let's take a look at that. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over here to Google Chrome. You can use whatever web browser you use. This is just the one that I use. And we're going to go to rufus.ie. All right. And that's going to be the thing that we're going to be using to make that Linux USB. It's a very simple and easy process here. We're going to scroll all the way down. We're going to find this right here. All right. We're going to go ahead and click for the standard, not the portable, and just click the X there. And now we have Rufus. We'll go ahead and click that. Click yes. And then no, we don't need to check online for any updates. All right. So we're going to have our USB drive that we're going to be putting this Linux ISO onto. We're going to go ahead and select boot select. Disk should be disk ISO image. We're going to click select. And in my situation, it's on the desktop. It's just Linux for the disk image. We're going to leave this MBR, EFI, all of that alone. You can change the volume name if you'd like to, but it's not really that important. And we're just going to go ahead and click start. This image you've selected as a hybrid image, which means that it could RTD. So here's the thing. With ISO mode, it makes it to where there's room left over. So if you wanted to put a few pictures or something like that, the rest of the drive is still usable. When it comes to DD image, it's going to use up the entire disk. That's the only difference. We're going to go with ISO mode. It's just going to be best there. This image, is a Linux sys, but this application only includes the installation for whatever. It's not the end of the world. Just click yes to that. Just let that run through. In a couple of minutes, you'll have that USB that you've been desperately needing. Oh, my apologies. And press OK, saying that it'll destroy everything on that disk. And then you'll have everything on that that you desperately need. All right, do me a favor and like, subscribe, whatever, and we'll have more tutorials and whatnot coming out soon.